Okay, I've tried to explain this to a lot of people, and I just want to make it as simple as you can. So you got your new fuel filter in there. You got the inline hooked up. You got your line going to the injector pump clamped before you take that off. And then you find yourself one of these. $10 at an auto parts store. It's gonna take a little bit. A lot of people will fill the fuel filter by hand. I just find that to be like really messy, and also you're not gonna get all the air out of it unless pump, hold your thumb, let it go. The check valve in this one's pretty old, but ooh, I can hear it starting to gurgle. And one time I did a fuel filter on one of these, and a brand new fuel filter did have a gasket in between the drain, and it didn't leak out. It wasn't enough to make it leak out because the plastic was sealing, but it was enough that the injection pump would pull air from there rather than from the tank. So it's nice to have a little. The filter right there is unnecessary, but it isn't. Oop! There we got her. There you go.